Hello everyone, welcome to Rishi Yoga. Today's video is about New Year special weight loss diet plan. Before starting, let me tell you, exercise is also important for weight loss. Please do follow our weight loss videos which are given in description box. Let's start from day 1. We can take lemon juice as refresher. And in breakfast, smoothies like fruit juices can be taken. Fruit juices are really helpful in providing us proteins and vitamins. Let's go into lunch. As lunch, we can take omelets and jawar roti. Both of these are really helpful in giving proteins and vitamins and breakdown of fat. Sugars should be strictly avoided. Let's go into snack time. In snack time, green tea is mostly preferred. Green tea is like naturally made. Also, watermelon seeds are preferred. These are helpful in providing us many proteins and vitamins. Let's go into day 2. Second day, fresh lime juice are preferred. Also, vegetable juices are preferred as breakfast. These vegetable juices break down many fats and sugars in our body. These are also helpful in gaining weight loss. Also, chia seeds are taken as smoothies. Once again, green teas are mostly preferred in breaking down fat and gaining weight loss. These also provide many vitamins and proteins. Kabula chana. Kabula chana can also be taken in lunch. These are really helpful. Many nutrients. These are preferred to take at dinner time. Let's go into day 3 now. In day 3, refreshing drinks like lemon juice. Also, fruits can be cut into pieces and taken as faluda. Also, fruit juices are preferred to take into smoothies. Many fruit juices break down fat and also give us some essential sugars which do not provide fat. Do you think are fruit juices good for weight loss? Yes, 100% fruit juices are good for weight loss. As alternative of rice, wheat upma can be taken. Also, veg oat upma can be taken. These upmas are helpful in many ways than rice. These are 100% helpful than rice in many ways. They do not provide sugars. Also, they provide many nutrients which cause weight loss. Also, green teas are mostly important for weight loss journey. Let's go into day 4 now. On day 4, we suggest water and fruits fasting diet plan. On this complete day, water and fruits should be taken. Also, cool water should be avoided. Normal water are preferred. Fruits like watermelons and papayas are mostly preferred for fruits in weight loss journey. Let's talk about our cravings now. How can we control our cravings? Foods like chocolates, pastries and biscuits, but in limited quantities, that too at morning 7 to 12. When I say 7 to 12, you remember that at that time you should not have some sweets and chocolates like that. Can be, but it is scientifically proven at 7 to 11 am we can take some limited kinds of sugars which will be digestible. That means which can be broken down by our body. Because at 7 to 11 am our metabolic rate or our metabolic system is completely energetic. So it can break and digest limited quantities of sugars. By doing this kind of things, you can control your cravings. At the same time, you can follow your diet and gain weight loss. Also, in this weight loss journey, including vegetables and leafy vegetables is mostly important and preferable. These kinds of salads and leafy vegetables break down our fat and help us to gain weight loss. Also, some kind of vegetable soups are preferred to be taken at the time of dinner. These soups help us in breaking down fats, providing many vitamins, proteins, and nutrients to our body. Let's come to day 5. On day 5, morning healthy drink and also increases metabolic rate. These kind of drinks and smoothies like fruit juices can be helpful in increasing metabolic rate. Also, papaya is helpful in breaking down sugars and gaining you weight loss. These kinds of foods can also be involved in lunch. Also in lunch, curd and chia seeds and oats can be mixed and taken as smoothie. In weight loss diet, veggies and vegetable salads have a main part and main role. Also, vegetable soups are helpful in weight loss. They are also called stress boosters. Let's come into day 6. Taking lukewarm water of 2 to 4 glasses is also helpful in breaking down sugar and glucose in your body. As usual, everyday smoothies are common. Smoothies like chia seeds and mixing blueberry are common in buttermilk. And on day 7th, we can take fruit salads in lunch. Chana can be taken as today's lunch. Also, fruit salads like mixed with strawberry, apples and kiwi fruits take major part in weight loss diet. And at the time of snacks, some green tea. Also dinner time, some wheat upma, oat upma and etc. Vegetable soups. Next day, that is day 7. Water play a major role in weight loss challenge or weight loss journey. Warm water should be taken as refreshing juice. Lemon and mint juice can be taken. Sprouts also should be involved. These provide iron and calcium to our body. Sometimes in between, whenever we are hungry, we can take sprouts and sprout salads. Also, pomegranates can be involved in sprout salads. Sprouts are also helpful in providing faster weight loss and also give us young look. These also create softness in our skin. As usual, and in snacks time, green tea should be taken on this day. Dinner plan should be changed from this day as green bowl salads. Also, leafy vegetables should be involved in your dinner plan from today. These green salads purify our blood and remove the excess fat from our body. These green leafy vegetables helps in increasing calcium levels in our body and also increases skin tone. I hope this will help you to gain weight loss up to 5 to 7 kgs till the target new year. Also give you satisfactory results. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.